Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to go over the camshaft position sensor for the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.7 V6 engine. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. As I said, we're going over the camshaft position sensor location on the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.7 V6 engine. Okay, I had to use the hands on that one. All right, so we're going to go over that location. If you guys are running an engine code saying that your camshaft position sensor circuit is on a low voltage, is on the fritz, it's a very easy spot to find. It is on the bank 2, okay? You can easily find your camshaft position sensor on the bank on the passenger side. Too easy, guys. So let's jump into it and get this all solved, ready, and get your vehicle back on the road, guys. All right, guys, there you go. The camshaft position sensor location found. And if you had to replace it, you got that good because it's only one bolt that holds it in. If you do have a problem getting the sensor out, because it is the original sensor that you possibly have in there, use your trim tool, okay? Take the bolt out, then use the trim tool since it has a hook on it. Mine's not in there. All right. So if you see the end of your trim tool, it's like a 45-degree angle, kind of, okay? Put that in where the sensor is, where the bracket is, and slowly lift down. It pries it a little where it pops it out. It does have an O-ring on there, so the O-ring does get dry and dry rotted and seals to the metal that it's mated on for years and years and years, right? We are talking about a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee here, so I mean, that's 15 years, 16 years, yeah. Now, guys, thank you so much for checking out another great episode here on the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you smash that button in the lower right-hand corner that way, and hit the bell notification. That way you get notified of all my future auto DIY auto repair videos in the future, saving you lots of money in the upcoming year. And if you ever want to know, hey, what should I do with all this money that I save and Zach's helping me out, I use Robinhood, okay? I'll throw the link in the video description. You know, start an account. Just start putting some money away for you guys, you know, for yourself. Even if it's $4 or $5 a month, it's something, right? I mean, my kids even invest in small little savings and everything. But it's great to put money aside for yourself, and it's great that you found a way to do it right here on the channel, and we can save thousands together. So guys, thank you so much, and until next time, hey, keep on wrenching, guys. Take care.